Sometimes people think a fast metabolism means you're skinny. It doesn't. It means you have a body that does what you ask it to do.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's really great to meet you.
All right, you too. Have a great day.
The person I was just talking to has a lot of struggles, mostly with her gut, but also with her weight. And it's something that I see a lot of people struggle with is I exercise, I don't eat that much, and I'm overweight. I can't lose weight. And what happens is that people's weight is often a result of what they're missing and not just what they're eating. A lot of people think if you're overweight, it means you're eating too much. And so the answer to that is to eat less, and that's how you lose weight. But any of you who've tried that know that while that will work temporarily, right? You eat less and you're hungry and you're irritable and you'll lose weight. But as soon as you start to eat normally again, what happens? Weight comes on even faster and it's even harder to get off. Why is that? Because you lower your metabolism. Now, you might have heard that before, but what does that even mean? Well, your metabolism is actually your body's ability to react in real time to what you ask it to do. My husband is a scientist in metabolism. He has a book called Miracle Metabolism where he teaches how to create a fast metabolism at any age. And what he defines metabolism as is about your body's ability to change. So example would be if you're overweight and you start running, you're asking your body to lose fat. So if your body has a fast metabolism, a fast ability to change, you'll lose fat quickly. Alternatively, if you are trying to gain muscle and you start lifting tons of weight, if you find you stay skinny and you can't gain weight, you actually have a slow metabolism because you have an inability to change when you ask your body to. Sometimes people think a fast metabolism means you're skinny. It doesn't. It means you have a body that does what you ask it to do. Now, someone with a fast metabolism also heals quickly, right? Because your body's ability to change or react to what's happening in real time. So for example, when I realized that I no longer had lupus, it was after I had my first son. And not only did the lupus not come back during the pregnancy or the birth, but I lost the 40 pounds of pregnancy weight that I had 9 days after delivering. And I wasn't exercising. I was just laying in my pajamas, nursing and just eating, right? And my pre-pregnancy genes fit me 9 days after giving birth. Why? Because I built a fast metabolism. So how do you build your metabolism? You build it with the right foods. So it's not about restriction, but about making sure you eat the things that nourish you. So it turns out the things that we use for healing and disease reversal are the things that create a fast metabolism. And I hope that makes sense to you now. So what I was working with her on was, it's not that she's eating too much. She's not. She eats pretty little. It's that she's not eating the right foods to build metabolism. So we're going to be increasing her omega-3s. My husband ran studies across, he used to have the largest boot camps in Orange County, and he would do studies with people testing different things out with exercise and with nutrition. So one of the things he tested is, well, if omega-3s increase metabolism, is there a limit? And he tested thousands of calories of omega-3s on people. And what he found was, the more omega-3s they ate, the faster the fat fell off them when he put them through the boot camp exercises. So even though omega-3s are a fat, they are not a fat that becomes body fat. They become cells. And cells with omega-3s have fast metabolisms. So the thing that was the peak of how much they could consume was their gut decided. You know, after a certain amount of chia or flax seeds or flaxseed oil, you get too bloated or constipated, or you get the runs or something and you have to back it off. So we're just going to start with, we're going to go slow because she has gut irritation and issues and diarrhea. We're just going to start with a 1/4 cup a day of flax or chia seeds and then raise it up, maybe double that as she can tolerate it. Also, raw vegetables, all the vitamins and minerals that we use for healing create a fast metabolism. Your cells are going to be really slow and sluggish if they're malnourished. So make sure you're getting at least 8 to 10 cups of raw vegetables a day. You can pack them all into a smoothie. Go to smoothieshred.com, see free recipes, make that, add that to your day, and you're going to get your omega-3s and your raw vegetables in a drink, and you're going to start creating that fast metabolism. The other thing people are usually missing is water. If you don't drink enough water, you're going to have a slow metabolism. So make sure you start getting your water up there where you're drinking at least 96 ounces a day of water to get the metabolism up higher. So again, with the smoothies, you got greens, omega-3s, and water in a drink. And so you start building a fast metabolism through a straw. And that is why, by the way, people in our Smoothie Shred group, we tell them you don't have to stop eating anything you normally eat, just add the smoothies. And what happens is, even though they're eating more than they were before because they're adding smoothies, they start losing weight. Why? Because it's not about calories, it's about nourishing your cells. And nourished cells have a fast metabolism. I hope that helps you. Enjoy your raw foods, enjoy your fast metabolism, and I'll see you next time.